Grab the Drio Smart Fan for bedroom, 120 degrees plus 120 degrees on a whim. 2 weeks later, here's my completely honest take. I was thoroughly impressed, and you'd be crazy to think otherwise. Look, at first glance, it seemed like just another fan with some fancy bells and whistles. But trust me when I say this thing is a game changer. The 1000 CFM airflow alone would make even the most seasoned deal hunter like me do a double take. And that's not even mentioning the TurboWind tech, which ensures whole room circulation in just 1 minute for spaces up to 105 square feet. Mind blown. Here's the thing, with its oscillating feature and 9 speeds, this fan is more than capable of handling any room size or temperature situation. I mean, we're talking about a fan that can seamlessly adjust speed based on temperature changes, thanks to the auto mode. That's some serious tech right there. And let me tell you, having that kind of control over your airflow can make all the difference in terms of comfort and productivity. The real beauty of this fan lies in its ability to cater to specific needs. If you're someone who values a peaceful sleep environment, this fan is perfect for you. With its 20 dB noise level and adjustable oscillation, it's like having a personal air butler at your beck and call. And when you need some serious airflow, the turbo mode kicks in, making it possible to cool down even the largest of rooms in record time. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this fan worth the investment? Well, let me tell you, after using it for 2 weeks now, I can confidently say that it's an absolute steal. Sure, it might not be cheap, but when you consider the quality and performance you're getting, it feels like a bargain. Real talk, if you're looking to upgrade your bedroom game or simply want a reliable fan that won't break the bank, this is the one. One honest complaint I do have is that the remote control can feel a bit flimsy at times. But hey, that's a minor quibble in an otherwise exceptional product. Tap subscribe for more honest reviews like this, no fluff, just the real verdict. Grab it through the link below. Thanks for hanging out, see you next week.